First, check the speed at which you need to drill. Next, open the top lid. Loosen the motor screws on each side and turn the motor lever. Check the inside chart for the RPM required and its corresponding combination. In this case, we are using A4. Notice that the pulleys are lettered and numbered bottom to top. On the left is A, B, C, and D. On the right is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Begin changing the pulleys in accordance with the RPM chart. It might be easier to take the pulleys out top to bottom, but reinsert them bottom to top. Once completed, return the motor to its initial position and check the tautness of the pulleys. Finally, tighten the motor knobs and close the lid. You are now ready to drill.